Hi, Terry from Normal Gadgets here. Hey, I wanted to give you a tip here for the Christmas season. I know Black Friday was just the other day, and we've got Christmas coming up. One of the things that I know that happens at this time of the year is people are selling their phones because they know that they're going to get a new phone for Christmas. And so what I wanted to make sure that everybody understood and knew is that a lot of times when people sell phones, they don't completely wipe the phone, and there's information on there that other people could get. You know, there's banking information, passwords, your emails, your social security numbers. A lot of people have a lot of data on there, and that could be very detrimental to not only your credit history, but other facets of your life. So what I want to make sure is that everybody understands and knows that you want to make sure that your device is wiped clean, so that way you can sell it, you can hand it down to somebody, or you can give it away, okay? So on an iPhone, it's really quick. You can just go into settings, and in settings you go down to general, and then you go down all the way at the bottom and go to reset. And when you get to reset, there are several buttons here, and the one you want is this erase all content and settings. When you do that, it wipes the phone directly and completely of all your information, so that way when you sell it or give it away, then your information won't be there. On an Android, it's really simple. Basically, you want to go into an Android and go into the settings. It's under device management, and it's called factory reset. You just want to do a factory reset, and that also gets rid of all your information. Now, on an Android, there could be your SD card that might have some information, your pictures and things like that. Some people have compromising photos. Some people have information about their businesses. So you want to make sure that information's taken off the SD. Take that SD card out and keep it with you. Sometimes people forget it. We get donated phones all the time, and we do find SD cards in there, and we do find devices that haven't been reset. So we know firsthand that it is detrimental to your health and to your wealth and to your life if other people get your information. Now, the other thing I just wanted to kind of point out that I also know too, that a lot of times a phone will come in here and it'll look like this. It'll be black. You know, the phone stopped working, the battery is dead, the screen was cracked, the LCD is having an issues, so it's not lighting up. And a person thinks that their phone is dead and it won't work. And so then they give it away, or they sell it, or they throw it away, and other people can get their hands on it. And a lot of times that phone is really not dead. That information is still on here. If you've not wiped it out, like I just said, then you could lose your information, because sometimes you just stick a battery in here and the phone comes up. Sometimes you would put a new screen on here and the phone comes back up. And so there's a multitude of cases that's out there that by that information, it gets out in the Ethernet, and other folks find that information and can do harm to you. So that's a great tip for Christmas. We want you to be safe. If there's anything that we can do here at Normal Gadgets, please come see us, because we want to make your gadgets normal again.